Hi everyone, so I want to unbox with you Oxford by Belletress from the City Collection, a very new style, and it's in the color Milkshake Blonde R. So I have not even looked in the box, so you see it like I see it. I have no idea. So obviously it comes like this, and then it has the netting on there as well. So let's look at the cap construction first of all. So you now have these extended lace fronts and a mono part, and that goes right to the crown. And then just open wefts, extended velvet nape, and Velcro adjusters. Look at this color. Look at the waves. Gosh, that's so pretty. Really soft fibers. Oh, I can't wait to put it on. So I shake it just a little bit, just to wake up the fibers, and then let's put it on. It was so hard to decide which of these new styles to get from the City Collection, because I think they are all really pretty. Right. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Right. So I like to part mine on the side. I went with Oxford because it has like the shorter layer here, which I like. And then let's just have a look what it. Oh my god, that's so pretty. What it looks like. Let's do the test. Needs to be 4 fingers. My goodness, look at this hairline. Wow. Oh my, that's really quite amazing. So you have a zigzag parting. So let me take that out. So I use a wide tooth comb and just get that out carefully. I don't want to really brush through it because I want to keep these gorgeous waves intact. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, wow, this is a lovely. Let me show you from all sides. This is such a great length as well. So it's not too much hair, I don't think, at all. And it's not too short either. So no permatease. Really low, lovely density. So tell me what you think of Oxford.